Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to remove things from Squarespace header. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we want to do here is we want to go ahead and start editing our website. So go to squarespace.com, open up your website, and hit on the edit button at the top left. Now once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to load up the editor, and once we hover on specific sections, settings or options for you to edit it is going to be available. Now in this case, since we want to remove things on our Squarespace header, what we need to do is hover over our header here and just click on the button that says edit site header. Now from here, under the header settings, so we have right now, we have site, title, and logo, elements, style, and the fixed position option as well. Now in this case, if you want to remove like certain section here, like for example the social media option here or the buttons, well, you could go ahead and go to elements. Now in this case, for this example, depending on what theme you are currently using, you have the following options or following elements that you can remove. Like for example, if you want to remove this button, go ahead and click on the button option here. But if you just want to edit your button, you can go ahead and change the text itself and which page it's going to actually redirect to. Now we also have these social links here, so in this case, if you want to show or hide those social links, go ahead and click on it. But if you just want to edit your social links, click on edit, and from here you'll be able to see which side or how they are actually organized will be shown in your website. Also, if you have a social link or other social link, you can go ahead and paste it in here. Just go back real quickly. Now here we also have the border and language switch and card. So currently there's not much that we could customize on our header here, but once you go to elements, those are the things that you could remove or add to your website. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.